Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic custard style carnivore ice cream. We're going to use allulose sugar because it's best. We're going to add 8 ounces of allulose to 8 egg yolks, and we're going to whisk this until it becomes glossy and all mixed together. And at the same time I'm doing this, I'm also heating 1 quart of heavy whipping cream on the stove. We're going to heat this till steaming but not boiling. Now we're going to take our whipping cream, we're going to add about 1/3 of it to our egg yolk mixture and whisk, and then we're going to add all the rest. This is called tempering. We're going to put this over a hot water bath and whisk until it becomes nappe, or to where it coats the back of a spoon. When you draw your finger across, you can see straight lines. Then we're going to cool it off in an ice bath till it's about 40 degrees. We're going to then add a little pinch of salt. And we're just going to keep whisking until it gets to the right temperature. Now we're going to take out our ice cream maker from the freezer. We want to add our extract when it's cool, otherwise the alcohol will evaporate out with all the smell and the flavor and taste of it. We're going to turn on our ice cream maker, and while it's spinning, we're going to go ahead and pour in our custard mix. Not too full. I'm going to take the other half of the mixture and I'm going to make a chocolate ice cream out of it. So I just added about 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to that. Then after about 20 minutes, your ice cream will be ready. First you want to taste it because it's going to be delicious. And then you're going to want to put it into a container to put it in the freezer and let it get hard. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep an eye out for more carnivore tutorials like this in the future. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.